Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some life-saving information that everyone should know. Keeping your heart healthy isn't just about regular exercise and avoiding stress. What you eat plays a crucial role too. So, let's discuss some foods that can help you keep those arteries clean and prevent heart attacks. Ever wondered how you can keep your arteries clean and prevent heart attacks? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of delicious and nutritious foods that can help you maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. Plus, I'll share some tips on how to incorporate them into your daily diet effortlessly. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. From avocados to nuts, we're covering some amazing foods that are not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your heart. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started on this heart-healthy journey together. First up, we have a food that's not only delicious, but also great for your heart: avocados. These creamy fruits are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats your body needs. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels, which is essential for maintaining clear arteries. Moreover, avocados are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease, so incorporating potassium-rich foods like avocados into your diet can make a big difference. Plus, they're also loaded with fiber, which further supports heart health by reducing bad cholesterol. You can easily add avocados to your diet in various ways. Toss them into salads, spread them on toast, or even blend them into smoothies. Their versatility makes them an easy addition to any meal. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to pick up some avocados. Next, let's talk about salmon, a superfood that's a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for heart health. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. These healthy fats can help keep your arteries clear by reducing triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood. In addition to omega-3s, salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins D and B12, and selenium. All of these nutrients contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of salmon can also help regulate heart rhythm and lower blood pressure, making it a fantastic choice for a heart-healthy diet. Incorporating salmon into your meals is easy. You can grill it, bake it, or even enjoy it as sushi. Pair it with some veggies for a balanced meal that's as delicious as it is nutritious. So make sure to add salmon to your shopping list and enjoy its numerous health benefits. Moving on, let's talk about garlic, a common kitchen ingredient with surprising benefits for your cardiovascular health. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and modern science backs up its effectiveness in promoting heart health. The key compound in garlic is allicin, which has been shown to reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Garlic helps expand blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of blood clots. It's also known to reduce oxidative stress, which can damage the lining of your arteries. By including garlic in your diet, you're not only adding flavor to your meals, but also taking a step toward better heart health. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be as simple as adding it to your favorite dishes. Whether it's sautéed with vegetables, mixed into sauces, or used as a seasoning for meats, garlic is a versatile ingredient that enhances both flavor and health. So don't hesitate to add a little extra garlic to your meals. Now, let's talk about berries, a delicious and heart-healthy addition to any diet. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These nutrients work together to support cardiovascular health and keep your arteries clear. One of the key benefits of berries is their high levels of anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These compounds can improve the function of your blood vessels and lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart attacks. Additionally, the fiber in berries helps lower cholesterol levels. Incorporating berries into your diet is easy and enjoyable. You can add them to your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a healthy snack. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect addition to desserts as well. So, Indulge in some berries and give your heart a sweet, healthy treat. Finally, let's discuss nuts, a must-have in your diet to prevent heart attacks. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These nutrients contribute to lower cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and improved artery health. Walnuts in particular are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, while almonds provide a good dose of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your arteries from damage. Nuts also contain L-arginine, an amino acid that helps improve the flexibility of your blood vessels, making it easier for your blood to flow. Incorporating nuts into your diet is simple and convenient. You can enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, or mix them into yogurt. A handful of nuts a day can make a significant difference in your heart health. So, stock up on your favorite nuts and enjoy their crunchy, heart-protective benefits. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Your heart health is incredibly important, and making small changes to your diet can have a big impact. By incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your meals, you're taking a proactive step toward a healthier life. What foods do you include in your diet to keep your heart healthy? Let me know in the comments below. Sharing your tips and experiences can help others on their journey to better heart health. Plus, I love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We have plenty of exciting and informative content coming your way, so you won't want to miss out. Thanks again for joining me today, and here's to a heart-healthy future.